Morning guys! I'm here nasa flower parking. Dito yung aming meet up with Soul Trekker. At alam nyo ba guys, ang ganda nung ano nila, van. I'll show you later. Binigyan kami ng time para kumain or mag-breakfast. So, pwede pala mag-request kay Kuya na tanggalin yung tarp. Saya! Oh, wala kami. Ka-excited.
Growing up and growing down, it's all I really know. As my circle comes together and me and my feet find the ground. I've been growing up far too long. Now it's time to start growing down. The same tunes call out from the radio, but no one seems to mind. All my shoes are right where I left them. The clocks keep ticking time. The world turns but the house stands still. That eastern wind still blows. Growing up and growing down.
Yung CR nila na ginawa for us. There. CR, may bayad na 10 pesos. Madami siya actually. So, ito talaga ang reality pag nasa 4x4 ka. Cute na. Cute kapag nasa TikTok. Pero sa realidad pala ng buhay na ito, alog na alog ka pala talaga.
Wala. Gamit tayo. Kalahati pa lang yun. Ha? Pinakikip pa lang ba?
A dark chapter begins. Fort Butler stood on her feet. A symbol of power against Cherokee. Trail tears of half of pain. Cherokee forced to leave their domain. From the
Guys, it's raining.
mountains green to unknown lands unseen. In 1838, the soldiers came, rounding up people, a nation tame. 3,000 souls through Fort Butler passed, their homes, their lands, all lost their last. Trail of tears, a path of pain. Cherokee forced to leave their domain. From North Carolina's mountains green to unknown lands of
Thank you so much, Kuya. Wala! Kuya! Thank you so much, Kuya. Kuya, thank you. Guys, kung mag-hike kayo, huwag kayong mag-worry kasi may mga stop dito, may mga kubo like this. May mga stop siya. Guys, this is far from what I've expected. Like, in-expect ko na somehow sunny day or cloudy day. Hindi rainy. But still, I'm grateful kasi hindi ganun ka init. No, ngayon nag-hike kami. Yeah, this is beginner friendly. Kasi wala siya masyadong mga pataas. Nagpabigat lang sa dala ko yung mga pagkain. Marami kasi akong pagkain na dala. So, pag pumunta ka dito, huwag niyo kalimutang magdala ng pagkain para sa mga IPAS kids. And also, baon mo. Kasi yung lunch sa baba is 200 pesos for reservation. Pero under rice na yun. Not bad, diba? Pero if you wanna save money, I suggest magbaon na lang.
Tatapay-pay na ako. Wah. Yang Tenta.
Anong tawag dito?
Tahimik, kuya?
Ha?
Tahimik sabi nila.
Tahimik?
Tahimik.
Tahimik?
Oh.
Para siyang artist, no? Crater na, guys. It's real. Okay. My look is not giving. It's not super Latina. Hinagano. Pag nakikita nyo na itong hagdan, guys, ibig sabihin, malapit na kayo. At pumunta ang aming team sa Mount Pinatubo. Final view. CR ba yung color green? Ah, okay. Wow! Sobrang Latina! Charot. Ang ganda. Thank you, Nanay. Pataglo ko ng food. I love you so much. Happy birthday, Kuya! Okay, guys. Happy birthday. Birthday niya pala. Ilan taon ka na, Kuya? 20 years old siya. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Dapat na bumabati sa'yo. good. So, kung may gusto kayong i-message, message nyo na agad kasi wala na kayong signal. Smart lang yung may signal doon actually. Pag nag-start na kayo, wala na. Ang taas. Taas niyang lakad, no? Pababa. So guys, mas maganda yung view dito. Sa taas. I love it. Marvin, hindi mo talaga birthday today. Todo kanta pa ako sa'yo kanina. Tapos tumawa-tawa ka lang. May pa-oo ka pa kanina. Sabi niya, opo. Birthday daw niya. So ako, happy birthday! Guys, ito yung maganda sa Pinagribo. Every now and then, may makikita kang pahingahan na kupo. Or di kaya may mga nagbebenta ng pagkain. Ngayon, medyo light na yung bag ko. Kasi ang bigat. Nagpabigat pala doon yung mga pagkain ko dito. And see guys, guys, this is what the shower looks like. Why naman? Guys, ito yung drop-off point namin. Dito na yung registration area pala. Ito yung itsura niya pag umaga. Ang pinagbukan pala namin guys is Soul Tracker for 2,899.